What if I told you the key to networking with big brands like Walmart and InMotion took as little as 5 minutes a day? Look, even to me, it sounded too good to be true, but it is. It only takes minutes. Techie has a majority of their stores inside of Walmart's, and they do this to leverage the over 10,000 people that walk into Walmart every single day. InMotion is located in hundreds of airports and supplies Techie with electronic devices from laptops to AirPods Pro Max for their over 150 franchise locations. Now, let's get to the good stuff. How did that happen with just 5 minutes a day? There are many aspects to building a network, but in Module 1, let's discuss cold outreach and LinkedIn. The rules Tim lives by is to focus on 20 relationships you want your business to develop. Lay some groundwork. What are they working on? What can you talk to these people about? Then interact. A minimum of 3 messages, 3 likes, and 3 comments daily. Do not slack off. Consistency compounds. This is literally how he got his brand inside Walmart. Did it take months? Yeah, it did. But now it's one of the reasons Techie positions himself as a leader in the tech repair space. Connections on LinkedIn led to Walmart, InMotion, throwing out the first pitch at the Miami Marlins home opener in 2022 and led to $80,000 in profit for Techie in a few months because a company was going to throw away used phones. We bought them at a steal and sold them in our stores. Networking isn't hard. You have to figure out the relationships you want to make and stay after it.